start again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. So, something I've never ever done actually. I'm going to do a set of bridal nails, bride's nails, wedding nails. So, straight into it, I'm using Madam Glam's Perfect White. This white, guys, if you've never tried this white, I promise you, you will never use another white again after using this white. It is amazing stuff. So I'm just doing one coat, that's all it needs. And I'm doing one coat on all the nails. These cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. Madam Glam gels are HEMA free as well. They're a 21 free toxin. They're palm oil free, they're vegan, cruelty free, fantastic. And I've got a 30% off code, unpolished 30. It's always in my description box with a link to the website. So I am using Aimeili. This is chrome. It's like chameleon, mermaidy type kind of powder. So that's them over a black. I only did one of them over a white. But yeah, they're like a chameleon. They're absolutely stunning. I love them. So I've got a discount code for them as well, guys. I'll leave it in my description box. So I'm going to use this one. It's got like a purpley, pinky shift. Oh my gosh, I love this stuff. Wait and see the effects this gives. So, like any chrome powder, you need to use a no wipe top coat. And you need to make sure there's not a single fleck of dust in the top coat, because with chrome powders it will show up and it will just wreck the whole nail. Make sure it's super smooth, no dust. And I've under cured it. Instead of curing it for 30 seconds, I've cured it for 20. And I'm just using eyeshadow applicator and rubbing it in. Look at it. Oh my gosh, it is beautiful. So once I've rubbed it in with the eyeshadow applicator, I just go over with my finger and just get all that excess dust off. Isn't it stunning? Absolutely beautiful stuff. I love it. So that is, again, same as the white gel. I'm going to do that on every single nail. So I'll just show you doing this one. So that's them all done. Look at that. Can you see that purple? It's just like pearl. It just looks like a pearl. Look at it. I'm going to use this more often because it's stunning. Yeah, guys, I'm going to wreck them. I'm using a matte top coat. So this is Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat. So take a good look at them, nice and glossy. Because, yeah, I'm about to matte them out. So same when you top coated them. Make sure there's no dust, just nothing in them, because it will show up once these are matted out. So they're going in the lamp for 30 seconds. Look at that now. It looks like silk or satin, doesn't it? I think they're just the perfect base colour for a bride's nails. I really do. So now I'm using Madam Glam's white gel paint, because this gel paint cures completely glossy. It doesn't have a tacky layer, so you can paint it straight on the matte nail like this. And I'm just going to fill this nail with little roses. These roses are so simple and easy to do. I just started by doing two little kind of letter C's or two commas. And then I'll do two C's again on the outside of those C's. And just get them little curvy lines bigger the further out you go, if that makes sense. Very, very easy way to do roses. I'm going to completely fill this nail. I will skip most of it because I'm just going to keep repeating the same thing. So I'll just let you watch for a sec. I forgot to mention as well, guys, this set is a little collab I've joined in with, the Nutty Nail Co. And yeah, the theme was bridal nails, and I thought I've never done a set of wedding nails, bridal nails, so I'll have a go. And I absolutely love how these turned out. So there'll be a playlist in my comments or in description box of any other ladies that have took part that's got a video. And if you go onto my Instagram, you'll see a list of ladies that have took part on Instagram as well. So I'll let you watch for a sec. So on this nail now, I'm going to do the same roses, but I'm just doing, I think I did 3, just at the bottom on the right hand side. Yeah, I think I did 3. So again, I'll let you watch for a sec. So that is pretty much it for the artwork and the gels. I'm just going to bling these up now. So I'm using the Born Pretty nail tips gel that you get in a tube because it's quite thick. And this half a ring I wanted to put on the nail, the curve was too curved to sit flat. So I needed a thicker gel that wasn't going to run everywhere. And this was perfect. So I just held it in place, flash cured it. And I'll give all these a full cure in a minute. I'm just flash curing all my gems on for now. And I'm just going to put some caviar beads down each side, just so it kind of looks like a ring. I wanted it to look like a ring. And I've got a little cluster I'm going to put on another nail. I'll just let you watch putting all this blingage on, and I'll be back at the end. There we go. I absolutely love these. This is probably the plainest, simplest nails I've ever done, but I think they're just so effective. That Aimeili powder just looks like silk or satin. And look, when I turn the lights down, can you see that purpley pink shift? They're absolutely stunning. I would wear these at my wedding without a doubt. I absolutely love them. Anyway guys, that is it for today. I'll leave all links below to the products I've used. Take advantage of any discount codes. As well, there'll be a playlist in my description box of any other ladies that have done videos on YouTube. There'll be a list on my Instagram post of Instagram ladies as well. But yeah, that's it guys. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully, I'll see you back in my next one. Take care. Bye.